In this tutorial, I will show what network address translation is and how to set it up on a Weidmüller router. First, I will explain what NAT is. Then I will show you why to use it. And last, we will look at the setup. NAT stands for Network Address Translation. It is a networking feature that allows a router to translate one IP address into another. In this example, we are using one-to-one NAT. This means that each private IP address in the LAN network is mapped directly to a corresponding public IP address. The router performs the translation automatically whenever communication passes through it. NAT makes it possible to access devices located in a private network without changing their original IP configuration. A typical scenario is a serial machine builder who sells several machines to one customer, and the machines shall run in the same network and have to be individually reachable. Then the adjustment of the IP addresses can be reduced to changings only in the router and not in all components of the machine. In our example, the switches are in the private network with the addresses 192.168.1.20 and 192.168.1.30. The router translates these addresses into the public LAN range 172.16.1.x. For example, 172.16.1.20 is translated to 192.168.1.20, and 172.16.1.30 is translated to 192.168.1.30. The device number remains the same, while only the network portion of the IP address is changed. This allows users on another network to reach the devices using the translated addresses. First, we have to set the gateway on the switches. For that we will enable masquerading. This allows us to get access to the switches, even if they don't have configured a gateway. Then we only activate one-to-one NAT on the LAN side of the router. First, go to the web interface of the router and log in. Then navigate to the IP configurations. Here you have to activate masquerading on the LAN side. Then, go to the web interface of the first switch and navigate to the IP configurations and set the gateway to 192.168.1.10. Next, go to the web interface of the second switch. Then, navigate to the IP configurations and set here the gateway to 192.168.1.10 too. Deactivate masquerading on the router. Change the LAN IP to 172.16.1.10. Navigate on the router web interface to network and then go to one-to-one NAT. Enable one-to-one NAT on the LAN side and set the private IP address to 192.168.1.10 and the subnet mask prefix set to 24. Now we can check if we can reach the first switch with the IP 192.168.1.20. And we can see this don't work. The switch is now hidden by one-to-one NAT. Now we can reach the switch under the new IP 172.16.1.20. And we see it works. Now you have learned what NAT is and how to set it up on a Weidmüller router. Thank you for watching.